The destructive impact of human activities on the planet is destabilizing ecosystems on a global scale. It is urgent to react to avoid ecological collapse. We need to increase our efforts to conserve natural landscape, restore ecosystems, and implement regenerative land use practices while respecting local cultures and improving livelihoods. A growing number of initiatives are already implementing impactful projects. The challenges are complex and require collaboration with the scientific community. This is the reason why 100 leading technology companies have joined forces to become the Nature Data Alliance. This coalition is bringing the required data and expertise to investors and project developers, enabling measurement, protection, and funding of nature-based solutions at scale. Join the Nature Data Alliance and support a growing global movement.